Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, this is our reading for Sagittarius. Ayan. So, ang pag-uusapan natin yung solar eclipse na naganganap ngayon, October 3, 2024. Actually, yung effect nito, pwedeng mag-last siya until April 2025. So, yeah. At yung iba pwedeng nangyari na or naganap na yung ibang pangyayari dito sa mga babanggitin ko kasi ang solar eclipse not necessarily naman na ginawa ko siya yung reading ngayon. Pwedeng weeks before and weeks after, pwedeng ayan na experiences na yung mga changes na yan. Meron akong particular video pala na ginawa, new moon, effect ng new moon and full moon ngayong October 2024 para sa'yo, Sagittarius. So, if you want to check it out, check mo na lang dun sa mga videos na in-upload ko na dito sa channel natin. Okay? So, if you're new to our channel, please do hit the subscribe button na lang, Simulan na natin, Sagittarius. Be sure to check your sun, moon, and rising sign, especially yung rising sign mo dahil pwede magbigay ito ng messages para sa'yo. Okay? Sagittarius, new moon solar eclipse. Actually, ang main agenda nitong ating pag-uusapan dito sa particular video na to is kasi yung event na to pwedeng mag-brought up siya or, mag-end siya ng mga secret relationship or if ever there's a secret relationship in your life right now, pwedeng hindi siya mag-end ng okay or maayos. But there's a lot of lesson. Kasi magko-concentrate tayo ngayon sa mga Lilith women or effect ng Black Moon Lilith sa'yo. Okay, sa reading na ito. Anyway, Sagittarius. Well, actually, new moon solar eclipse, you will be more, connected pagdating sa iyong friends or yung social life mo through social media or social group, or this is the time wherein you will make friends or make new friends, ayan, or ma-re-establish yung mga connection mo with your friends in the past. And maybe during this time, maybe mas ma-realize mo kung ano yung mga goals mo talaga, wishes mo talaga, na maybe in the past hindi ito masyadong clear sa'yo. Okay? Kasi masyado kang nag-focus sa mga present situation, present moment na nangyayari sa'yo. But during this solar eclipse, mas maliliwanagan ka ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. Okay? Or maybe if you are already dealing with a friend, pwedeng mas makita mo ngayon kung ano ba talaga ang nararamdaman mo towards this friend. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe hindi mo siya nakikitaan ng like potential of partnership, or like yung iba sa inyo maybe even falling in love with a friend is possible during this time. Or yung iba naman closing a connection with the friend, if ever na nakikita mo na itong friend na to is parang nakikitaan mo siya ng ugali na parang hindi ito yung gusto mo talagang kaibigan or ayaw mo talaga kasi ganito siya so something like magre-resurface sa'yo or makikita mo na parang pwedeng in a way parang pananarantado na pwedeng makita o ma-brought up sa surface ngayon sa'yo. Maybe when it comes to the group of people na you belong to, or maybe with regards to a friend. Okay? So, yan. New relationship, new connection na may kinalaman sa friends is actually possible during this time. Maybe even spiritual connection, na pwedeng maramdaman mo na during this time with a friend. Pwedeng a friend would tell you something na mas maging clear pa sa'yo kung ano yung emotion mo towards this person, and pwedeng or yung person na to pwedeng i-reveal niya yung emotions niya towards you, na pwedeng nagkakaroon ng mga limitations in the past, but now because the Mars is in Cancer, so there's a possibility of actions na may kinalaman dito. Either good or bad, like maybe ending of a partnership, relationship, is also possible during this time. Pero, you know, nagkakaroon tayo ng opposition with the planet of Chiron. With the asteroid Chiron. And ito ay, Chiron is a wounded healer. So, maybe with regards to a child, nandun yung energy na parang, yeah, especially if you are in a relationship with you know, a third party situation, or in a relationship with regards sa sikretong relasyon, there's a possibility of pwedeng mag-resurface or malaman, but then I mean, it's up to you kung saan mo ilalagay ang connection nito, whether ilalagay mo ito in a, transform it in a way na pwedeng, okay, sige, let's do this, let's continue the connection, the relationship. And then with regards to a child, nandun yung, if ever that you have a children, ako nang bahala mag-explain sa kanila ganito ganyan, because I want this to manifest in my life. Kasi nga, mas bubungad sa'yo ngayong solar eclipse ko, ano yung talaga yung gusto mo. So, ang mas nakikita natin dito is, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo sa sarili mo, especially with regards sa mga taong ito na involved. And, if ever that you need or you want na i-end na lang ito to continue to grow itong connection mo with the child, and maybe, putting an end with regards to a friendship or a relationship with a friend, is possible during this time. Okay? But, of course, look back in the past. Some of you pwedeng may understanding regarding the past, with regards sa mga lessons mo in the past, and then pwedeng mas maintindihan mo yung present situation mo during the solar eclipse ngayon, at ano ang connection nito sa mga past experiences mo sa buhay mo. Okay? So, actually, yun nga, nabanggit ko, yung effect nito is pwedeng maramdaman mo until April of 2025. But, just know na ikaw pa rin ang masusunod sa buhay mo. So, whatever you want in your life, with regards sa mga bagay na nagbibigay ng restriction sa'yo, nandun yung this is the time na wherein you should be honest with your goals, yourself, kung ano ka ba talaga, ano ba talagang gusto mong mangyari, para alam mo kung anong gagawin mo sa future. Like, the transformation, medyo mahirap talaga siya, pero kailangan or necessary para mas magkaroon ka ng development sa buhay mo, and also spiritually. Ayan. And also, for some of you dealing with the spiritual connection, I can see a lot of actions now pagdating dito. Ayan. Yung iba sa inyo, you might connect with a person in the past, or a person you love in the past, with your Venus in your 12th house. So, maybe may mga limitations sa home, pero, you are a Sagittarius. The more that you learn about spirituality, the more na nakikita mo yung connection ninyo, spiritual connection mo with this person. Nandun yung, I will do this, I will go for it, especially the Mars is in Cancer. Mas nangingibabaw yung pag-take mo ng actions, depende sa emotion mo, sa kung sino talaga or ano talaga ang laman ng puso mo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.